How to watch Fox News live on YouTube TV. You can watch Fox News live on YouTube TV if it's included in your subscription. Follow these steps to access Fox News live broadcasts on various devices. Step number 1, open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, smartphone, tablet, or web browser, and sign into your Google account if required. Step number 2, go to the Live tab. From the main menu, select the Live tab at the top. Scroll through the channel guide to find Fox News. Step number 3, start watching Fox News. Click Fox News channel from the live TV guide. The live broadcast will begin immediately. Step number 4, search for Fox News, optional. If you don't see Fox News in the live guide, select the search icon, magnifying glass at the top. Type Fox News and press enter. Choose Fox News channel from the search results. Step number 5, add Fox News to your favorites, optional. Go to settings, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select settings, then live guide. Customize channels. Find Fox News and click the star icon to mark it as a favorite. This ensures Fox News appears at the top of your channel guide. Important notes. Subscription required. Ensure Fox News is included in your YouTube TV plan. Channel availability. Fox News may not be available in all regions due to geo restrictions. Add-on packages. If Fox News isn't available, check for premium add-ons in settings, then membership.